Hi, here's my short and honest review for Breakout Investing System. Why short? Because it is not worth to waste too many words on this product. I've already reviewed many products and I want to be honest with you. If I know the product which is much better than that, yes, then I will recommend the best product. So if you are serious about earning money online, then click on the link in the description. You can start for free. Yes, you heard right. You can start for free. Just click link below and good luck. Bye.